Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty Marination. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe of sugar-free walnut and date cake. As we all know, Christmas is around the corner, so you can make this cake on Christmas and impress your loved ones. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of dates. Let's chop them. In this 1 cup of chopped dates, add half a cup of hot milk. And now we'll soak them for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Now we'll grind it in a mixie and make a puree out of it. Our dates puree is now ready. In a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of curd. This is fresh homemade curd. Now give it a good mix. Now to this we'll add date puree, which we had prepared earlier. Again, give everything a good mix. Now we'll sieve all the dry ingredients together. So in a strainer, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Now sieve everything together. Now give everything a good mix. Next we'll add 1/4 cup of milk. To adjust the consistency, add little milk at a time. Do not add all at once. Again give it a mix. Our batter is now ready. Now I'll add few drops of vanilla essence. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Here I have lined a baking loaf tin with some butter paper and with some oil. Now we'll pour this batter into the baking tin. Now tap it a few times to smoothen the top. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. Into this add little all-purpose flour and mix it well. Coat them well with the all-purpose flour. Now we'll sprinkle these chopped walnuts on top of the cake batter. If you want, you can mix them in the batter as well. Our date cake is ready to bake. Now we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After 30 minutes, I have taken the cake out of the oven and it's perfectly baked. Now we'll let it cool down completely. Now our cake is cooled completely, so I'm going to demold it. Let's remove the mold. Wow, it's perfectly baked. Now I'm going to cut a slice and show you how it looks. Now look at the spongy texture of the cake. It's perfectly baked. Now our walnut and date cake is ready to serve. You can make this for Christmas and for the upcoming New Year as well. The best part is that it's sugar-free. Enjoy this sugar-free walnut and date cake with your family and friends. After watching the video, if you like my recipe, do hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipes, and do not forget to subscribe to Tasty Marination for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.